Welcome into Hook 'em Eye. Today, we're on the Firehole River. Well, good morning. It is May 23rd here, and as you can see, it is snowing. Even though it is spring, almost summer time to be here in the park, opening weekend, Memorial Day. Yeah, we've got snow. It's been snowing all night, and we've got snow and ice all over our tents and everything. So it's cold. It's still cold up here, but that's not going to stop us from having a good time fishing and seeing all the wildlife and the animals. Look over there, beautiful geese coming across the sky. So everybody's out, even though it's cold. As you can see, there's buffalo out here, right where you're fishing. So just be careful. Nice day. Starting to hail a little bit. The Firehole River is cool is because it is the first river that opens up on the general season and stays open all year. Although it is the warmest river in the Yellowstone area. So that means that early season and late season, it is the best for the trout. In the middle of the summer, it can get up to 80 degrees. So that means that you can't fish there because fish don't want to fish. Don't want to live there, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty cool. So this one and the Yellowstone Lake are actually one of the only two that you can fish opening weekend of the fishing season, which is the Saturday before Memorial Day. So that's what we're doing. We're fishing these two places. I just got a little brown. First one on the Yellowstone in the Firehole River. We got him. There he is. Cute little dude. And there he is. Oh, there he goes. And there he is. Off he goes. Awesome. There's some little bitty ones right in here. That one. There you go. Very nice. Is he a brown? That's awesome. He got himself a little brown. Ooh, he's a good little brown. Jumping. Look at him go. Come on, buddy. Hey, he's bigger than the other one. Alrighty. Come on in. Boom. Got him. That's the number 2. That's awesome. I love it. These are fun. They're small, but they are fun. Man, at least we're catching stuff now. Hold on, buddy. Good little fighting brown. There he is. Boom. And there he goes. This middle section's fun because they're jumping and there's a lot of them. And but they're all small. So I've caught 2. Shane's caught 1. We're gonna go try the lower where they said the bigger ones stay, just to see what we can get. The upper was a bust. Didn't catch anything up there. Didn't even see a fish. But at least we've seen some and hooked on to some little browns up here. It's been pretty fun. What happened just then, y'all?
We ran as hard as we could.
We just got chased by a buffalo. Crazy. He was not having it. He got that guy hiding behind a tree over there. It was wild. There's a buffalo out here. He's mad. Just chased us. You chasing that guy down there?
Y'all made me run.
You had to run up this hill? Oh, he's upset.
That guy's hiding behind the tree.
Ooh, he's close.
Oh my gosh. Look at him. Are you getting the video?
I'm far away.
That guy has to hide behind the tree.
He just came after us.
Oh gosh, Becky. Look at him, look at him. You never get license to begin with, that's my pet telling you. I have to lie.
Oh, he's coming after somebody else now. He's gonna get hit. Where'd he go? He went across to go terrorize somebody else. There he goes. Kind of wild. We got a friend right here. A little coyote. He's looking for some fish too. I'm glad he's on that side of the road. Oh, look at him. I think he just got a mouse or something. Look at that. And the fish is starting to bite again. The weather changes very rapidly around here. It can be sunny one minute and then raining like this one end of the next minute. The Firehole River is special because it's artificial flies only. You cannot use any spinners or anything else like that, and it's just flies. So know that before you come out here and do anything. Also at the Firehole River, the only species that you can keep are brook trout. Brown trout, rainbow trout, and cutthroats are all protected here. So you can't really harvest much during this time of the year. Here we are, got one. Boom. Good little brown trout. These brown trout like to sit in front of the rocks sometimes, and then you just get them just like that. Hold up, buddy. Come on, man. Off the prince nymph. There he goes. Got him. Cute little guy. Boom. Just a little one. Yeah, it's cool, huh? Well, the wind and the rain and the snow and everything came fast, so we had to cut the day a little early, and so that cut our fishing time short. But we did manage to get some, which is always a way better day than getting nothing at all. And so the Firehole River, pretty cool place. It's great fishing in the beginning of the year, you know, for small ones, if you don't care about catching big ones. And they're just browns and everything's catch and release. It's pretty fun. So until next time, hook 'em high.